Since 2002, First International starts its operations in the United Arab Emirates. First International represents electric vehicles from international brands to serve the Middle East and GCC countries. With our complete facility, warehouse, workshop, fabrication, machines and equipment, technical and engineering team, sales team, and customer care representative, we provide our customer with quality products and best maintenance and after-sales services. Our products: vehicles, Taylor-Dunn, Columbia, E1 car, Mini Cart, G1 car, and D1 car. Specialty vehicles. First International can customize vehicles according to customers' requirement. Ambulance, Type 2, and Royal Truck Body are top-selling products. Customer care.